In previous class we discussed about the first chapter. Okay. Now we will discuss about the nearest numbers. Okay. What are the nearest numbers? Whenever a given number to you, nearest tens, nearest hundreds, nearest thousands, how we can find? Already we discussed. Okay. Related to that only we can continue that one class only. Okay. What is the nearest place values of nearest tens? Already exercise 2 we discussed in old textbook. In old textbook we discussed that one. Now we will do the nearest numbers. Find out after addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We will complete here. Okay, in this class. Okay, this complete after we will complete the chapter. Okay, what is the question here? Already I know. Already I discussed about the nearest number, round of number. How we can find? Whenever a number is given to you, for example, like this number is given to you, I want to find out the nearest tens. Nearest tens I want to find out. Nearest tens. I want to find out the nearest tens. Whenever a nearest tens is asked to you, we have to underline the tens place. Okay, from right side onwards, when you are looking the board, this is the right side part. Okay, right side onwards, tens place you have to underline. That means we have to follow the Indian system. Ones, tens. This is the tens place. 5 is the tens place. Okay, tens place decide which number is there. That one you have to observe. More than 5 or less than 5. Okay, more. I have to remember less than 5 means add 0 to the underline value. Add 0 to the underline value. Otherwise, add 1. That means more than 5 are equal to 5. More than 5 are equal to 5 is there. Add 1 to the underlying number. That one you have to remember. And then only you can do the sums very easy. Already we discussed these models in previous class. And now 5 tens place is 5. Okay, underlying number is 5. Beside that one, that means right side of that number. If you are looking here, this is the right side, this is the left side. Right side of number is 7. 7 is related to the first group or second group. More than 7 or less than 7, that is more than 5 or less than 5. More than 5. This is 7 is more than 5. More than 5 means what number you have to add? Plus 1. That means for this number 4, 5, 7. Another number is which one? 5. For that we want to add 1. Okay, what is the number? 5 plus 1. Don't start here. Okay, right side numbers, underline decide which numbers are there. Those we have to take zeros. Later we can write. First addition onwards we continue. Calculation. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. 7 8? No, 6. 5 plus 1? 6. Next 4. That means 1 digit is there. Right side of this underline number. Underline number is 5. 5 this side how many digits are there? 1 digit is there. That 1 digit take as 0. This is the nearest tens. Okay, if nearest 100 is asked to you, like that only we will continue that one. Okay, that one you have to mind it. Now we will do the addition of the nearest round of numbers. Okay, what are the actually these are not related to the exercise. Just they given for the concept based. What is the question is there? Okay, sum of find estimating at 8162 and 5789. Estimate the result. Estimate the result. Estimate the result is after means what you have to do. First which numbers are given to you, that one you have to remember. What are the numbers given? 8162. We have to add with 5789. What is the highest place value? That one you have to underline. What is the highest place value here? Highest place value is 1 tens 100,000. 1000 is the highest place value. Whenever like this addition, subtraction, division, multiplication is given to you, highest place value only you have to round out. Okay, highest place value 1000. That means nearest 1000 you have to choose. Right side number you have to identify 1. 1 is less than 5 or more than 5? Less than 5. That means we have to add 0. For this we have to add 0. For this we have to add 0. Okay. Plus for this first complete this one addition. 8 plus 0 8 only. Okay, 8 right side, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits, you have to keep 0. Next, take the next number. 5, 7, 8, 9. What is the highest place value? 1000 only. For 1000, we said which number is there? 7. 7 is more than 5 or less than 5? 7 is more than 5. 7 is more than 5. So then at that time we have to add the underline with the number with 1. 5 plus 1. Now we add this one. 5 plus 1. First addition complete. Later we can keep zeros. 5 plus 1. 6. Addition of number before how many digits are there? Such number of zeros are there. 1, 2, 3. 0, 0, 0. And now we add this. 8,000. 8,000. Next one is 6,000. Add these two numbers. 0, 0, 0. 8 plus 6, 14. 8 plus 6, 14. That is what is the solution? 14,000. This is the estimated result, not exact result. By adding these two numbers, nearestly we will get this one. Nearest one, that one. This is the addition. One more sum we will find. We will understand this one. Next one. We just estimation of addition. What are the numbers given? 8756 plus 723. Okay, this addition I want to complete. Estimate the result. Estimate the result. What are the numbers given there? 8756, one number, and 723, one number. What is the highest place value? 1000. 1 tens 100,000. 1000. Okay, 1000 beside which number is there? 7. 7 is more than 5 or less than 5? We have to mind it. More than 5. More than 5. This is bigger than 5. That means we have to add the underlying number with 1. More than 5 or equal 5 means we have to add 1. Otherwise, add 0. Okay, now add this one. 8 plus 1. 9. And the addition after how many digits are there? Such number of zeros we have to take. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. Next 723. Next one. What is the highest place value? 100. 100 decide which number is there? 2. 2 is less than 5 or more than 5? Less than 5. Less than 5 means which number you have to add? 0. This condition you have to remember. What are the condition? Less than 5. Less than 5. Add 0. Equal or more than 5. Add 1. For which one you have to add? Underline number. For underline number you have to add. These two conditions you have to remember. Okay, underline number beside. Underline number beside you have to observe. Okay. Now 0 you have to add. 0 plus 7 is 0 only. Beside how many digits are there? 1, 2. 2 zeros are there. Now we add these two. Now we add these two. 9,000. 700. 700 means 100 place on our value. By adding we will get the nearest result 9,700. This is the answer. Okay, one more addition we will do. One more addition. Estimate the result. 56723 plus 4567 plus 72 plus 5. Okay, then this is the last model for the addition. And now for each number you have to underline the highest place value. What is the highest place value? This is 10,000 place. 10,000 place after what is the digit is there? 6. More than 6 or less than 6? More than 6. More than 6 means we have to add 1. Directly it will do here 1. Okay, I don't want to write in the step. By 5 plus 1, by adding 6 we will get. 5 beside which digits are there? Those have to take zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros have to take. Next. Here also underline highest place value 4. Beside which digit is there? 5. 1 equal or more than 5 means what we can do? Add 1. Add 1 for the new underline number. Add 1 for the underline number. 4 plus 1, 5. 4 beside how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros you have to write. All zeros only. Underline number beside how many digits are there? Such number of zeros we have to take. Next, 7. 7 beside which number is there? 2. Less than 5. That means we have to add 0. We have to add 0. 0 plus 7. 7 only. 7 plus 1 digit is 70. Similarly, 5. 5 only 1 digit is there. Only 1 digit is there. That only you have to underline. See the round of number. Now 5 is more than 5 or equal to 5 group. That is related to the second group. Equal or more than 5 is add 1. For this only have to add 1. What will be 6? 5 plus 1 6. 5 plus 1 6. Now we add all these numbers. What is the number here? 60,000. Next number 5,000. Next number 70. Next number 6. Add this 6, 7, 0, 5, 6. This is the answer. 6, 5, 0, 7, 6. Now we will go for the subtraction. This is the addition. Okay, the round of estimated result is like it only we have to take. But we have to remember by doing these type of sums, we have to find out the round of for the highest place value. And now we will do the subtraction. Now we will do the subtraction here. 5723 minus 2867. Estimate the result. Estimate the result. Now we have to take what are the numbers here? 5723. Okay, another number 2867. What is the highest place value? 5. Beside that one, what is the number? 7. 7 is more than 5 or less than 5? More than 5. More than 5 means underline number add with 1. Underline number add with 1. Underline number add with 1. Here we can do addition only. Here we can underline. Okay, underline number add with 1. 5 plus 1 6. 5 beside how many days are there? 3 zeros are there. What is the relation? Subtraction. Okay, subtraction. For this also, for highest place 2. This beside 8. 8 is related to first group or second group? Second group. 8 is related to the second group. Second group means add 1. Second group means add 1. Add 1. Add 1. 2 plus 1. 3. 3 plus 2 beside how many digits are there? 3. 3 digits we have to take. Now subtract these two. 6,000 minus 3,000. 0, 0. Subtraction between 0 minus 0 is 0 only. 6 minus 3, 3. 3,000. What is the result? 3,000. Similarly, such type of problem only we will do. Okay, another one. 7023 minus 856. Okay, for this one, I want to find out the subtraction and estimate the result. Estimate the result means we have to find out the nearest numbers. Round of numbers we have to find out. For this 7023. What is the highest place value? 7. 7 beside ఏముంది ఇక్కడ 0 ఉంది. 0 అనేది less than 5 or more than 5 less than 5. Less than 5 means we have to add underline number with 0. Underline number ఏంటి ఇక్కడ 7. Underline number is 7. 7 is added with 0. Okay, 7 is added with 0. 7 plus 0 7. Any number added with 0, that number only. That only have to mind it. Remaining digits are zeros. What is the relation? Subtraction. Subtraction we want to do. Next we go for the next digit. For next number, not digited number. What is the highest place value? 8. 8 beside which number is there? 5. Okay, 5 is related to first group or second group? Equal or more than 5. Add 1. Add 1. These two conditions remember after we can do any sum. Very easy. Now 8 plus 1 9. Beside how many digits are there? 8 beside 1 2 zeros are there. That means 7,000 subtract 900. 7,000 subtract 900. Okay, now subtract 0 0. Take borrow here. This will be 6. This will be 10. 10 minus 9 1 6. 6,100. 6,100. This is the answer. This is the subtraction. While doing the multiplication, how we can do? Multiplication also same only. What is the multiplication? 63 multiply 85. Estimate the result. 63 multiply 85. Estimate the result. How we can estimate? What is the number here? 63. Here 85. What is the highest place value? 6. 6 beside what is the digit 3. 3 related to first group or second group? Less than 5. మరి 5 గా తక్కువ ఉందో చూడాలి లేకపోతే 5 గా ఎక్కువ ఉందో చూడాలి. రెండు గ్రూప్స్. ఫస్ట్ గ్రూప్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రిలేటెడ్ టు ఫస్ట్ గ్రూప్. ఫస్ట్ గ్రూప్ మీన్స్ యాడ్ 0. యాడ్ 0 ఫర్ ద అండర్లైన్ నెంబర్. అండర్లైన్ నెంబర్ కి యాడ్ చేయాలి. అండర్లైన్ నెంబర్ 6 6 plus 0 6. 6 beside how many digits are there? Right side digits always stay as zeros. While writing result 60 multiply this is the highest place value tens. Tens beside what is the digit 5. 5 is related to the second group. That is we can write a plus 1 here. Add 1. 8 plus 1 9. Right side number 0. Now multiply these two. 9 6 is 54. 9 6 is 54. 2 zeros are there. Write 2 zeros. Otherwise we can multiply like this also. 0 0 6 0 to multiply 0 0 0 0 is 9 6 0 0 6 9 is 54. 54 100. This is the solution. Now we will go for the next division also same model only. 693 636 multiplying 78. Now underline the highest place value 6. Okay, this is one 3 means related to first group or second group. 3 is less than 5. 5 is తక్కువ కదా. సో అది ఏం చేయాలి బ్రో? అండర్లైన్ నెంబర్ యాడ్ చేస్తే 0. అండర్లైన్ నెంబర్ యాడ్ చేస్తే 0. 636 add with 0. 6 plus 0 6. Beside 2 3 is 0. What is the relation? Multiplication. 78. 7 is the highest place value. Beside 8 is there. Beside always always see the beside number only. Okay, right side number. 7 right side number. Okay, it is more than 5. 8 is more than 5 means add 1 to the underlying number. 7 plus 1 8. Right side number 8 is 0. Now multiply this. 8 6 is 48. 8 6 is 48. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3. 3 zeros you have to write. This is the estimated multiplication. Nearest given numbers. Okay, this is the multiplication. Okay, we can do the division also. Division also similar only. Division we will do now. 976 divided by 18. Estimate the result. 976 nearest number 18 nearest number how to take. Highest place value 9. 9 beside what is the digit 7. 7 is means related to the first group or second group. 7 is more than 5. That is related to the second group. That means 976. 9 is added to 1. 9 is added to 1. 9 plus 1 10. Right side number what we can write as zeros. 2 digits are there. 2 digits we have to take 0. ఎప్పుడు మనకి అండర్లైన్ చేసిన నెంబర్ ప్రకారం ఏదన్నా సరే రిజల్ట్ రాసేప్పుడు జీరోస్ తీసుకోవాలి. Okay, while writing the result, right side of the underlying number, take all the digits as 0. What is the relation? Division. Now take 18. 18. Okay, 18. What is the highest place? Okay, beside that one 80. 80 related means second group. More than 5. More than 5 means add 1. Add 1 plus 1 2. This is 0. Now divide this one. Okay, now divide 20 divided by 20 divides 1000. 20 here we have it. 25 is 100. 21 is 20. 22 is 40. 23 is 60. 24 is 80. 25 is 100. 100 means 3 2 years later. What is the extra in there? 0. So we have to write 0 here. Again 20 50 is 1000. We will get 0. That means what is the result? 50 is the result. Okay, 50 is the result. So now next similar model division and one more sum. We will do one more sum here. Seven or 8 divided by 30. For this we have to write nearest numbers. 7. Underline 7. Beside that one 0 is. That means we can write 7 0 8. 0 is less than 5. Less than 5 means add 0 for the underlying number. 7 0 0 divided by 3. 3 beside 2 is there. It is also less than 5 only. We have to compare this one with 5. అండర్లైన్ నెంబర్ డిసైడ్ ఉన్న దాన్ని కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి, అండర్లైన్ చేసిన కంప్లీట్ చేయకూడదు. అంటే యాడ్ 0 32 plus 0 యాడ్ 0 means 3 0. That means 30 divides 700. 30 divides 700. Now divide 31 या 30, 32 या 60, 1 0. Take out 0 here. 33 या 33 या 90. 13 it will have 8. 31 या 30, 32 या 60, 33 या 90. 10. Okay, this is the remainder. 23 we can write. Okay, 23 is the only quotient only we have to. Only quotient only we have to write as answer. This is the remainder. This is the divisor. Dividend, quotient, remainder. Okay, similar models only I will give for each one 2 sums. Complete yourself. Get it? Homework. Okay, estimate the result. These sums you have to complete it, everyone. Estimate the result. Estimate the result. Everyone should complete by next class. These 6567 plus 8567. Second one 60756 plus 2562 70. For each model I will give 2 sums only. Third one subtraction 9563 minus 2847. Fourth one 95625 minus 4235. Fifth one 58 into 67. 58 into 67. 7 one 709 into 98. 709 into 98. 7 one. 7th one division. Multiplication also completed. Division only remaining. 956 divided by 17. 8 one. 859 divided by 23. Okay, these sums we have to estimate the result. Okay.